Hi, I will show you how to make a grading sheet in MS Excel by Kyle Axel D. Kadag from 7 Babbage. First step we need to do is enter the data. Here is the data. Subject areas, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter average, and remarks. And then the second step we need to do is, after typing the data, we will put the average. Example, equals average, open parenthesis, C3 colon F3 close parenthesis, then click enter. This is how it works. This is equal sign, then average, then C3, then colon F3. Then for the next subjects, then for developmental reading, then for environmental science, for enhanced science, Filipino, MAPE, ESP, ICT, and AP. Just to make sure that all of this is made of formula, I'm done typing the remarks in these subjects. I'm just making sure that this is with solutions. Correct. This is the last one. I leave it blank. Sorry. Sorry. Again, equal sign, if okay, and that's done. This is how to make a grading sheet. And of course the total, and I'm here in third quarter, so, and for the total, I'm in the third quarter. Fourth quarter. Average. Okay, and it is done. Thank you.